While learning a programming language, many people get tensed. Which one will learn first? Which one is better? Which one is more in demand? If you learn which one will get a job quickly. This kind of thoughts go around in the head. I saw an article praising Java. Then I started thinking to myself that I will learn Java. Then I saw a video saying that JavaScript is good. Then I fell in love with JavaScript. And I saw somewhere that C++ is good. Then my education turned. I turned it. And this is the main reason to be frustrated. If you ask 5 people which programming language is better, you will get at least 15 different answers. If you say learn this in the morning, learn that at night, and if the hot light is a little too much, he will say learn another one. So, you should learn whatever programming language is required for the job. You have to do without listening to anyone else. Thank you.